Okay, so in this video I will show you how to hash the password, and we will use a specific Python package which is called Werkzeug. Of course, there are many different packages in Python, and I will show you something which I really like. It is adapter pattern, and we can switch this package with other package. So I will create a new folder. I will call it code. I will create it as module, and I will create token. Okay, so you will know that this module, this file is related to token, but right now I will do the password hashing. So I will name this folder for password. Okay, so let me close a little bit some files. So here from Werkzeug, I'm not sure that I pronounce it correctly, but I think I am telling it. Okay, so generate password hash and check password hash. We need this to how to say, functions from Werkzeug. So I will create my own functions. I will tell you what, hash password. So we need the password, which is string, and we will return a string. And here we will return generate password hash password. Okay, and of course we will need, when we create the login functionality, to check the hash password, or validate, let's name it in better way, hash password. And here we say receive the hash password, which we'll take from the database, which is string, and the password which we receive it from the user, and we will return a boolean. Okay, and here we will return check password hash, again hash password, and let's see the password. Okay, so why I made it like this? Why I didn't took Werkzeug security from here and use the functions here? Because, for example, right now I will import from out the password, import generate password hash or hash password. Okay, mine is hash password. And here user dot password, user data. We will change the password, so we will hash it with again user data password. So we are changing the initial password which I received from the user, we hash it and we store it in the user data. And after that, in the database, we are always storing the hashed value of the password. So again, I will return here why I didn't, for example, from Werkzeug dot security import hash generate password hash. Because if I want to switch the package and in future I want to use different package, I will just need here to come here in this particular file, and without to care too much with the underlying logic of the application, and I will just from other sec package import generate hash, and I will just switch this and this functions or whatever logic I have to write, and I will spread the logic in the whole application. So this is called adapter pattern. We have possibility just to switch and connect between our application logic and the package applications. Okay, and here we are done. Thank you for the attention. Let's make some commit. User register logic. Okay. Thank you for the attention.